The report that is unacceptable. We are calling all people here in this room and this international from now. As they said, peace and justice have to go together. There is evidence that the president of the DRC and the Rwandese president are seriously involved. Maybe because the Security Council is protecting who is want to protect, and is leaving aside the person that is willing to leave aside. I don't know which will be your answer. Thank you.
I think before Noel comes back, let's take a couple of questions and then we can go back to a few.
Thank you. My name is Emmanuel from the University of Johannesburg. So I represent the student, college student. So I want to say this. I'm so disappointed and Tangan and stuff. They more than that. There's a coup d'etat who did more than what they did. And still walking around here saying
Joseph Kabila, don't forget him.
The president. You know what? Okay, I'm serious about this, what I'm saying about this. You know what? I've got all the reports about the human rights and stuff report. So this is the first report that came out. This is the Geretan 2 report, the first one. After that was the mapping report. After that, I've got the
changed.
International report as well. So until now, nothing has been done so far. You know what? Right now, we've got all the record. More than 1.5, 1,500 women are raped every day, every hour in the GRC. So nothing's happening. So you know what? What I'm saying is, I'm so disappointed because it's like you're giving this man Ocampo all the glory, but he has done nothing.
Must have said Joseph Kabila. You must arrested him. Yeah. Yeah. You must get that man. No. You must get him. He didn't finish his job nicely. That's true. No, that is true. Yeah.
We can't believe this, man.
Yeah.
They're killing my people.
Yeah.
They're killing
our people there. And you know it. Your organization is still there. But they are killing our people. You know it. Guys, let's go. That is bullshit. Let's go. That is bullshit. They are killing our people. Your organization is still there. Nothing was done until now. Why would you bring it for? Which kind of priority this one? Let's go, guys. They are bullshit. I confirm that. Let's go. They are bullshit, man. Nothing have done so far. They are killing our people there. The organization of humanity, they are still there. What they are doing? What they are doing so far? What did they come and do with them? But they know that they are killing people there. That is bullshit. Let go. Let go, guys. That is bullshit. They are killing our people there. Nothing have done so far. You are busy just consulting your country. Just consulting your country. What about the yes? When we take our democracy?
You cannot support him.
When are you getting our democracy nicely? Where is our democracy? Everything is done so far.
You're giving him all the
people that are suffering in this country. Why only God? Why only the DRC? No, just tell me why only the DRC?
People are being killed, yes. People are suffering. More than 8 million people. So you can't give
every day.
You can't give this man all the glory.
No. They cannot give all the glory for that man. What they did, you must have sent Joseph Kabila. We need Joseph Kabila to go to the ICC. Yeah. We need Joseph Kabila to go to the ICC. We need Joseph Kabila to go to the ICC.
We so disappointed.
Why they didn't show us the things that
we need Joseph Kabila to go to the ICC. That's all we need. I confirm that we need Joseph Kabila to go to the ICC. We have done so far. We cannot continue like this.
We so disappointed. No, you can't push anyone.
No,
please.
No, I'm serious. Who are you? Are you a security guard?
We don't care about even Joseph Kabila. We don't care even about Joseph Kabila. You know they are killing people in Congo. We don't want that President Joseph Kabila. The way they show us the movie there, they are lying people. They are lying people and they keep other things. We don't want that man again. There is a lady there in Congo, they're raping ladies there in Congo, and then we come into the parliament, they show us something fucking shit. But
Bayana Ocampo, on va passer la publicité. Il a bien travaillé. Ocampo n'a pas bien travaillé. Il y a des femmes qui sont violentes dans l'est du pays.
Souvent compromis niveau Zouk.
Non, compromis, c'est pas ça les loges vérité. Il y a des vrais criminels. Il y a Bosco Tangana, Bakunda Bassa, Kagame Azali, qui l'autre là, qui est là aussi. Comment Kunda Batoa. On parle tous ensemble via 8 millions de morts. On va faire ce bateau à pays diplomate, on va faire ce bateau à poser pour poster dans la loge. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut dire
That's so far. They are killing people in Congo. They know it. They are hitting and passing the movie for nothing. That's bullshit. That's bullshit.
We're not too happy about what's happening. You know, we can't give that man all the glory. We're serious, man. We can't give that man all the glory. You know what's happened? This what we saw in the movie. This is not the reality of the DRC. I'm telling you, sir. I'm so disappointed.
Can I give you the big chance? Think about what you're doing right now.
No, I'm not. We can promise to the people they will never. This is not a people. This is not a people. We know that. You know what? But they are lobbying about the ICC. They are lobbying about that. People who are there, they don't know the reality of what's happening.
Sure.
But I understand
you are angry. But you know there's an audience. Is there. What is done for so far? You know there's an audience. Just killing people every day.
No, but you must also learn to listen. Thank you. You must also learn to listen.
Let's go. Let's
On fait chose regrettable au Ocampo aye à asala propagande naye ya malamu ya soi-disant musala asala na Congo alors que réalité à Congo les gens besoin d'accepter ba criminel comme Joseph Kabila wa bomi yena cousin naye Paul Kagame ba sali ba crime monene plus de 8 millions de morts bazo filer 48 femmes par heure na Congo Ocampo zoya à l'acceptation soi-disant makamala musala na Congo chose to se plaindre la montée moi je pense que tout le monde ba kanga kanambe wa bomi batu bo to se ba moment criminel bango qui est en prison mais par réalité nous sommes là et nous sommes là
bande la biso ba congolais deal ya biso la Kabila ils ont continué toujours problème biso to yaki pour la kolandela ICC o elandela ka ba crime international to yaki kolandela makambu o ba olandela pour la mboka la biso Congo mais tout le monde est flou car papa flou na flou mais makambu dit les ont continué na Kabila dit les ont continué na Kabila to otika to olandela jusqu'au bout.
Ok, oui. Bandeko, de Bomona, tout ça, Awa, Ocampo, Oyotoebi, à ces pays, Aza Awa, Ayaki, a projeté film pour Balanda travail, à Sali, dans Congo. En fait, biso combattant, Toyaki a pour nous stopper à moi. Parce que réalité à Congo, ils ont au ça va tout arrêter. Réalité à Congo, ils ont au qui au Congo, il y a des femmes qui sont violées chaque jour. Au Congo, il y a plus ou moins 6 millions de morts dans Congo. Donc, Toyaki a côté les médailles.
John Image is the king.